Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new video. In this video, we will explain the trades that we provide in our VIP group as well as in our free groups. For those who are new here and want to join us, the link is available in the description, so go and check it out. So this was a Saturday session on the OTC market. We provided trades in the VIP group and the session started here. We gave our first signal in the VIP group on GameStop OTC for the call side. As you can see, there was a moving average and also an uptrend, which is why we provided a signal for an upside move. You can also see a support level here, and from that support level, this was a clear pin move. Now, moving on to the next trade, which we provided on Johnson OTC for a call side move. Let me explain this trade. As you can see, the previous candle closed above the moving average, which is why we provided a signal for the upside move. This was also a clear pin. Let's move on to the next trade, again on Johnson OTC for a call side move. You can see a strong uptrend along with a moving average. There was also a support level, and the previous candle was taking support from it. That's why we provided a signal for the upside move, and this was also an amazing win. So the session ended here, and we achieved 3 wins with no martingale trades. If you want to avail of these trades, you can text us on Telegram at bbinary support. All the links are available in the description, so go and check them out. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe, and comment your thoughts about the video. If you have any topics or suggestions, comment them down below.